Last one.
Watch a dandelion live its life. You mean live its entire life, which is short enough to shoot a time lapse of. Ooh, lovely. It always,
Wait, does it close back up?
Yes.
as it dies, yeah.
Well, it doesn't die.
Oh,
Well, it does eventually, but
yes.
right now it's kind of cocooning.
It's not it's not immortal.
Okay. I didn't know this. Kind of cool.
Yeah, it's kind of folds into itself and then it blows up again into a dandelion.
Oh, it blooms again. That's kind of cool.
Who would have thunk?
And then spits out all the seeds or whatever it is.
Yes.
Wow, that popped off fast.
It's funny about dandelions.
What's so funny about it?
Just how they're so universally hated, but when you look at them in isolation outside the spectrum of lawns and weeds and so forth, it's really not that bad looking.
Yes, but a herd of them is an eyesore.
Whoa. We hit a soft spot here.
No, a herd of them is like a whole yard of them. It's just like, what are you doing?
Well, yes, because we've all determined that we don't want that and we'll destroy your lawn because you want the lawn.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, I want the lawn more.
Right. Yeah.
What the hell? And then you have a thing with your lawnmower, and what are we even doing right now? But
I just need a new lawnmower. But what I'm saying is, like, if I go on a walk and there's just like an entire field of dandelions.
I know, but why? Why is the lawn superior to the lion?
Did you say lion?
Yes, the dandelion.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, because one alone is no problem. In fact, it's quite beautiful, but just a whole field of them.
Well, what about a field of flowers?
Yeah, that's nice.
Tulips.
Yeah, definitely nice.
Who makes these rules? Who's we?
Humans. We're just like, that doesn't look good. Let's not do that.
Really?
Instead,
I wasn't a part of that meeting.
You didn't vote?
I wasn't a part of that meeting. I must have missed that meeting. I was busy debating C11, Bill C11.
Right. Don't get us started on that.
In Canada. Go ahead, Will. What's up?
Just to go back to this.
Yes.
I don't remember who said it, but apparently the dandelion is a really like specific weed.
Yeah, it's invasive.
Because it starts off as like a sun because it's yellow, and then it moves into the phase of when it turns into like a white ball. Like that represents the moon. And then when it flies away, that represents the stars.
What is this, poetry?
I don't know.
What are you doing right now?
No, I kind of like it.
But I don't know. It's like ancient times or something. It's supposed to represent like
I see.
the sky.
But if it's so invasive and no one destroyed it ever, would lawns exist, or would they all just be dandelions and then dirt? Where would the green pastures be? Like grass would exist somewhere.
Oh, right. Like if we just let them go rampage, these dandelions.
It's weird that there's...
Where do they stop, or do they stop?
Are they just superior and more robust than grass? Would we have a lot less grass, I assume, but you would still have the grasslands.
Yeah, the plains.
I guess they don't do as well there. I'm not sure. Or maybe the pesticides we're putting on them are making them more robust,
Right.
So they're defeating even more grass every single time they come around.
You know what? That might be it.
Well, I mean, we're just goofing and gaffing.
Do you like them personally?
We're just joking.
Yeah.
No,
We're just having a time.
No, I just listen.
You like them?
No. I just talk to Mo. Sometimes I look at him and I talk to him. And earlier today, he got angry, so...
You pushed his buttons.
I mean, it's been... Listen, I just wanted to...
Get angry.
I want to pose different scenarios, see where he's at, see how he lives, see how he sees the world.
Yeah.
I'm interested. And sometimes he's down for it. Other times he's very angry.
Yeah.
You never know what you're going to get. But I'm glad we got here, and I'm glad we did it. And I'm glad that everybody showed up. Thank you to everybody in the chat. Thank you to everybody that gave us a super chat. Thank you to everybody in the Discord. I woke up in the morning. I was just scrolling through there. I'm like, damn. Y'all are wild in there.
Yeah.
I almost said a thing or two. Look, there's me. I'm a T-Rex from Jurassic World. See, you just happened to click on it, and then that's what it was right there. So shout out to everybody everywhere in the Lou Later community, the Lou Later universe, otherwise known as the Laterverse. We got the merch coming soon. Never forget, buy high, sell low. We'll see you tomorrow.